Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for GMAT Quant. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure and question formats. The GMAT Quant section tests your ability to analyze data and solve problems using mathematical reasoning. Next, review core math principles, including arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. Finally, take a diagnostic test to pinpoint areas where you need the most improvement. This initial assessment is crucial for creating an effective study plan. Once you've identified your weak areas, dedicate focused time to mastering each GMAT Quant topic. Use reliable study materials to build a strong conceptual understanding. Practice extensively with official GMAT questions. These are the best representation of what you'll face on test day. Don't just solve problems. Analyze every question, both correct and incorrect, to understand the underlying principles and common traps. This deep dive into solutions is key to improvement. Beyond just knowing the math, developing effective strategies is vital for GMAT Quant. Learn shortcuts and efficient methods for tackling different question types. Practice under timed conditions to ensure you can complete questions within the average 2-minute time frame. This means not just solving, but solving quickly and accurately. Pay special attention to data sufficiency questions, as they require a unique logical approach distinct from problem-solving questions. Consistent review is essential to solidify your knowledge and prevent forgetting. Regularly revisit concepts and problem-solving strategies you've learned. As you get closer to your test date, take several full-length GMAT mock tests. These simulations are invaluable for building stamina and managing test day anxiety. After each mock test, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify remaining weaknesses and adjust your study plan accordingly. This iterative process will maximize your score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.